Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a caracal. And let's see, to start drawing a caracal, I'm going to start with the face. So I'm going to start with a little nose here. Like that, a little bit of a funny shape. Right here, I'm going to do a little upside down U and color that in all dark for a nostril. Over here, we're going to have a little nostril on the side, so it's just going to be like a little bit of dark here. And then in the middle, we can do a little line coming upward. All right, so now the next thing I'm going to do is right here, I'm going to start coming upward a bit. And then I'm going to branch out this way, and we can do an eye. All right, so now I'm going to do a little dark part of the eye here. And then we're going to do a thick dark spot right here under the eye. Now I'm going to do another rounded spot here underneath the eye. And now we can work on the other eye. So I'm going to do a little line kind of coming on up this way. And then we're going to go out this way. And right here, we're going to come on up. And I'm going to do a little dark spot right here. And we can do the inside of the eye. So I'm going to do a little curve right here and come on up a little bit and darken this corner. Now right here, we can do a little circle, color that in all dark. Now right here, I'm going to color this in all dark too, actually, this part. And leave a little itty bitty part right there, still white. All right, so next I'm going to have a little bit underneath the eye, just kind of coming up like that. And now I'm going to do a few little strokes of black fur here. And I'm going to do it on the other side as well. And above the nose, I'm going to thicken that up and make it dark. And then coming down right here, I'm going to bring down a little line and start on the mouth. Okay, so I've got one part there, and now let's do the other part. Coming on out, curving on up. And I'm going to darken this bit. And we can add some dots. And on this side too. And we can put some whiskers here. Some can be long, some can be short. Now the bottom of the mouth, a little bit rounded there, and come on out this way. Now here above this eye, let's do this side of the face. So we're slanting toward that eye, and then coming on downward right here with like a little cheek. So here we've got the top of the head. And right here, let's do one of those great big ears. Coming on up and down. And then that ear fur. I'm just doing lots of strokes of black fur here for the top of the ears. And then I can bring a line down. And just a little line here for the inside of the ears. Now on this side, let's come on up and bring the ear back. I'm going to put a line here. And then we can do some more big, long strokes of black fur. All right, so I did a little funny little shape right here. I'm going to color that in, and I'm going to kind of add a little bit of dark right here too for the inside of the ear, and have some right here as well, a little bit of dark. Now right here, let's come on down a bit. So we got a bit of a neck, and right here we're going to come on down a little bit too. And down, 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 down. Right here we can work on the front leg, and I'm going to have a line sloping upward like this. Bring this line up a bit too. Now right here we're going to have another front leg and a line down this way. Alright, so now we're going to start on the back. So it's this way, slanting downward. And we're going to have the leg kind of curled up right here. So I'm going to come on up like that, and then it's going to come on down. Alright, so I'm going to put a line right here for this bit of the belly. And I'm going to have another line right here because it's like the leg on the other side. Alright, so now I'm going to add just a few little strokes of fur here and there that are going to be like dark pieces of fur. Just kind of have some here and there on the legs. And let's see. I'll put a few here and there. Alright, but that's it for the drawing, and now I'm going to get started with the coloring. All right, so we are finished our picture. Thank you for drawing with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back here for our next drawing. All right, everyone, goodbye.